that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuck. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you needed me. Feel a little more, give a little less. Now you hit the canvas, but baby, who you needed me. You've been rolling around, shit, I roll it up. Let her roll it up. Break it down like a punch, shit would never us. Shit would never rap. That's the real on the real, are you serious? How you feel, how you feel? Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me.
Okay, so I added some glitter at the top. I don't know if I really like it, but I don't really have time to not like it. So what I'm doing right now is doing some foundation. But first, I feel like I need to put some Airspun on because my friend said this is a really good technique if you use setting powder before like putting on your foundation. I've tried it one time and I didn't really like it, but we're gonna try it again because she said that's how she gets her makeup, like the flashback, her flashback, like there is none. Like her makeup looks so good. So she said she puts setting powder kind of all over her face and then puts her foundation on top of it. So that's kind of what I'm doing. I'm just trying to add like a thin layer because I don't know how this is gonna work. And this is really not the time to be experimenting like that because I gotta look good. And what I'm doing now is taking some of my NARS foundation and my Beauty Supply foundation. I mix them on my hand to get like a better color complexion for me. And I'm just putting it on my face.
Good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuck. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some.
I'm so excited for brunch. I can't wait to have a mimosa. It's been a long time since I had a mimosa. Literally since July when we went to Miami. I think that's the last time I had a mimosa. So I'm so excited to get some good food. The only thing is everybody's like bailing and all of a sudden can't make it. Which is kind of blowing me, but it's okay because I knew like brunch was a last minute kind of thing. I got my reservations really late, so I didn't start inviting people until I knew for sure I had reservations, because why would I invite you out and I don't even have reservations or have a table? So that took a minute and people were already busy at that point. But it's fine. I feel like my favorites, I mean, they're all my favorites, obviously, that's why I invite them. But I feel like my main two favorites will be there, so it's gonna be a good time regardless. Regardless. Trying to figure out if I'm gonna have time to do my hair. I really wanna like wand curl it. I think it'll look so cute. But I don't know if I have time.
Fun on the run, though I give it to you, but baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you needed me.
little black. My makeup artist did that, and I feel like I really like that. So next what I need to do is add some eyeliner so I can do lashes. And then I might do like 3 bottom lashes. I don't know. I don't know if I'm doing too much because I have no idea what I'm even wearing yet. So I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going, basically. Just kind of freestyling this birthday look. You always put eyeliner on, I feel like, when you're putting on strip lashes. It makes it blend in way better. When you have a little eyeliner and a little mascara. Yeah, okay. So now I'm just gonna add a little mascara. I can't decide between this or this. Like, I don't know. I'm feeling these because this is like my everyday type of look. I don't really like 25mm anymore, but these are like, it's my birthday, pay attention to me. So I might do these because on a regular day, I probably wouldn't wear these anymore. I'm just not into 25mm anymore. I think it's like a maturity thing. I'm kind of over it. They're a little bit too big for my liking now. So I like me a good like 18 to like 22. So I just kind of like toned it down just a little bit. But yeah, we're about to put glue on these lashes, and then I'm gonna try to tackle these bottom lashes. Blush, highlight, lipstick, and we're done. And then I need to focus on my hair and getting dressed. So I don't know if I want to do white dress, pink heels, or do I want to do this white skirt with a pink sweater. I think I'm gonna do the pink sweater because I just feel like the theme is pink, so why not? Okay, so I'm gonna try something a little different, something new, and do like a new lip combination.
Feel how you feel, used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the rondo, I'll give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't tell you that I was a savage. Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. That's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuck. I'm some faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking.
I hate this. I just feel like it's too much. So
Until you had some fun on the rondo, I'll give it to you, but baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't tell you that I was a savage. Fuck your white horse and a carriage.
I don't know. I hate my lips right now. I hate them. I hate them. So now I'm about to put these lashes on real quick. Trying to figure out which way they even go.
But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you needed me. Feel a little more, give a little less. Now you had to come.
Okay, so I need some tweezers real quick to do the little bottom lashes, which look like this. So I'm gonna try to find some real quick. So I'm gonna use my Totally Clueless blush. Probably just gonna do like this color, like a mix. I don't want it too much because my makeup's already a lot right now. So I don't want to do like too much on the cheeks. But we just gonna add like a little hint of color. And this don't even seem like it's blush. This is seeming like it's highlight or something. just still hate my lips. They just look like it's too much going on. So I need to fix that, but I'm trying to like do bottom lashes real quick. And then I need some more highlight. I don't know if I have time for my hair. I don't know if I have time to curl it. I don't know. But it's looking like I doubt it because I still need to like get my outfit together. It still has that like cute body wave though. It just needs to be like brushed really good and combed really good because it's been in my bonnet. So I just need to brush it and comb it real good. Where did it? Oh, I don't have the patience for this. Never mind. Just never mind. We just not even gonna do it. I don't have the patience for the bottom lashes, so we just not. We not gonna do it. It would have been cute though, but my makeup's still cute. I just need to figure out this lip. I mean, it's not bad now that I wiped a lot of the excess off because it just seemed like it was so much. So it's not horrible. This is more of like a natural looking color. So now I'm about to go get dressed, and this is pretty much the makeup look. I hate when my under eyes start like creasing. But yeah. So lastly, I'm gonna take some of this Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, and I'm gonna spray it on my face. Yes, 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 yes. I love it. I love it. So now I'm putting everything away, and that is the makeup look. Let me show you guys. So yeah, this is my makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me doing my makeup. I hope it came out cute. I really did try, y'all. I tried. So this is my brunch makeup. I'm about to go get dressed and try to fix my hair the best way I can. It needs to be like brushed, combed, a little mousse or something just to get it together. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me doing my makeup. I know it's been a minute since I did a makeup video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn that post notification bell on so the next time that I drop a video, you guys will be notified. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram for daily content. You guys always be missing my stories or when I be out and about looking cute. So yeah, make sure you follow me on Instagram for daily content, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. I wanted y'all to see my makeup in the lighting, so. Yeah, because I think I did a good job.